Once you have cut your cardstock along the straight lines, we can start putting our box together. It should look like this when you're all ready. What you're gonna do now is we're gonna fold our box along the dotted lines. So you're just gonna start folding it. And then we're gonna fold it inward like this for each side along the dotted line. And now it's time to start gluing. So we're gonna pick our first side. You're gonna use your glue stick and along this little flat, you're gonna put some glue and we're going to stick it to this side of the box. And you're gonna push it down so it completely sticks. And we're gonna do our next side. So you're gonna put some glue down and stick it to the side. And you can see that our box is starting to form. So you're gonna do that on every side of your paper until you have a box, and then you're gonna repeat it with your second piece of paper.